Good morning, students. Today we will take the last topic we'll study about the nose and the tongue as well as skin in class 7 biology. Uh, in the previous class, I explained about the other receptors like eyes and the ears, the structure as well as functioning of the eyes and the ears. Today we'll take the structure as well as functioning of nose, tongue and skin. Now first of all we take the nose. Now you all know what is nose and what is its function. So nose detect the smell, different odors they are detected by the nose, and not only this, it also helps in breathing. Breathing means taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide during respiration. And this nose has two nostrils, and this nostrils opens into the nasal cavity, and this nasal cavity contain the tiny receptors, and in the tiny receptors the mucus is there in the nostrils, which where the chemicals or the odor molecules they come in contact with the mucus, and from there this mucus or the chemicals they are sent to the olfactory receptors to detect the odor, and these odor or in the form of impulse they are sent to the signal, and these signals in the form of impulse they are sent to the brain for the, and it interprets the odor, what type of odor it is. So this way, through the olfactory nerves the odor or the smell can be detected in the brain, and then brain interprets what kind of odor it is, either it is bad or good. Now I will study about the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ, you all know, and it is present on the attached to the floor of the mouth, and the tongue has receptors which are called the taste buds. These taste buds detect the taste, different type of taste, and the different type of taste are salty, sweet, bitter and sour. So these are the four different types of taste which are detected by the tongue, and these taste can be detected by the taste receptors which are present in the tongue, and from there the message or the in the form of impulse they are sent to the sensory nerve fibers, and these sensory nerve fibers they are attached to the brain, and from the brain only then it interprets what type of taste it is, whether it is a salty, sweet, bitter or sour. Now this is about the tongue. Now the third and the last receptor organs which are present in our body is the skin, and it is the largest sense organ. Largest sense organ means it is out of the five: nose, ears, eyes, tongue, and out of this skin is the largest sense organ, and it is present all over the body, and these skin contains some receptors which can sense heat, cold, touch, pressure and other kind of feelings they can be detected in the skin. And skin, if we study the structure of the skin has two layers. First one is the outer epidermis and the second one is the inner epidermis. Outer epidermis mostly contains it is outer tough dead, means made of dead layers, and in the outer epidermis only the melanin is present which determines the skin color. So color of the skin can be determined by the melanin which is present on the outer epidermis of the skin. And the second one is the inner epidermis, and inner epidermis contains the hair follicles, sebaceous glands, sweat glands, as well as blood vessels and sensory nerve endings. And through this sensory nerve ending the impulses can be sent to the spinal cord, and from the spinal cord the impulse they are sent to the brain, and then brain helps us in feeling what type of feel, that is either it is hot, cold or touch, pressure. These all can be sensed through the nerve ending which are sensory nerve ending which are present in the inner epidermis. So this is all about the different types of receptors, their structures as well as function. Now we have completed this lesson. In the next class I will teach you another lesson. Thank you.